Anyone who's ever used a steam cleaner will love it more than regular scrubbing. I feel like I can't live without it now. I simply can't get those hard-to-reach grime spots out of reach without it. It lets you reach into those tiny nooks and crannies that a sponge simply can't. This machine even comes with a variety of different attachments, so you can use it to clean almost anything in every room. It's truly versatile. It's currently having I'll try to put the link below for you.